Hey, it's Seth of Rough Country. Clarity of vision and field of view is just as important behind you as it is in front of you when it comes to your UTV, and that's why we've got multiple options whether you have a ProFit or a round tube cage on your UTV. Our side mirrors and our rear view mirror are all made out of a CNC machined aluminum with the anodized coating, giving you all the durability, scratch resistant, and UV resistance that you need when you're outdoors and on the trail. Our vertical side mirrors for the ProFit cage are exactly that, to where the mount is specifically made for the design of the ProFit cage on many different UTV models. Our horizontal side mirrors fit the round tube cage, as well as our aluminum rear view mirror for any round tube cage mount on your UTV. Our side mirrors have a full 360-degree rotation capability, as well as a 220-degree of being able to fold it in and out. So no matter if you're moving forward or going in reverse, we've got you covered with our aluminum side mirrors and rear view mirror for UTVs. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more content. Find more inspiration for your UTV with our vehicle gallery, and check out all of our many great accessories for UTVs at roughcountry.com.